Why are you wearing daddy's shoe? Why are you wearing daddy's shoe? Is it your shoe? Is it your shoe? Why are you wearing daddy's shoe? Is this shoe yours? Why are you wearing daddy's shoe? Is it your shoe? Is this your shoe? How can you be wearing my shoe? Is this your shoe? So you do not see your crops and your sneakers. You are wearing my own sneakers. Is that how you used to do? Jojo? Do ready? I want to do. See what you have done. You see what you put your leg inside? See what you put your leg inside? You know how long it's going to take you to reach this age? It will take you like how many years? 25 years.